Honey, I'm recording at work. I know.
You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah, I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That is every Tuesday and Saturday. You guys get to see me and gonna give this video a thumbs up. You know it's gonna be lit because on the pop we keep it rocking. We ain't stopping, period, no matter the circumstances. When I have some downtime, I have to record when I got some time, and this is the only time that I have today, and unfortunately I'm at work. So anyways, in today's video I want to finally tell you guys about this new product that I've been using on my edges. I know I always talk about how it's hard for me to grow my edges. No matter what I use, I can't seem to find a product that grows my edges. It's hard. It's hard for me to find a product. Canvas Beauty brand works in terms of my scalp. It grows the hair on my scalp. But as far as my edges go, I have trouble finding a product that works for my edges. I don't know why my edges are a struggle. I've been struggling with my edges since I was a little girl. You can ask my mom. Like, I've always struggled with my edges, and it just has always been a struggle. So recently I was contacted by the owner of this brand about a month ago, and she asked me did I want to try this product, and I'm like, you know, what's the harm? Of course, I like trying different oils, and if I can find something that works for my edges, baby, come on, that's what I'm looking for. So when she reached out to me, I said yes, and I didn't mind because I am looking for something that can help me with my edges, and if it helps me, then it can help many other people as well. Now, it looked like I had oil in here. This is not the oil. I literally I just put some this is just like some essential oil, y'all. I look, when I run out of stuff, I just reuse the bottle. But this oil is called 911 Extra Strength Growth Formula, and it is a powerful formula made especially for treating thin edges, bald spots, recent traction, alopecia with added DHT blockers. And the brand that this is made by is the Beauty of Rashida. Y'all, this is a good product. This is a good product. Before we get into me showing y'all how the product has been working for me, I want to show y'all how my hair has always, like, my edges have always been like a struggle point for me. Of course, I put it on the screen, but my edges have always been like a struggle for me. That was my edges in 2018. It's always been hard for me to grow my edges. No matter what product I use, it's always been hard for me to grow my edges. This is me using, that's when I first started using the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. You can see my hair growing using the Miracle Drops, but my edges were still scarce. My edges would always be scarce. So this is a picture like before I started using these drops. Y'all know I had to stop using the Hollywood hair bar, and it seems like when I stopped using the Hollywood hair bar, my hair came back out from my edges because the Hollywood hair bar was growing my edges, but I had to stop using it. So it's like once you stop using something, you know, you got to be consistent with a product. And when I stopped using the Hollywood hair bar, it seemed like my hair started coming back out. So when the owner reached out to me about these drops, I felt like a sort of relief because I needed something to try on my edges because I didn't know what to use in regards to my edges. Like, here's another picture of my edges. Like, that's me using the Extra Strength Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. Like, they were growing my edges. They were just growing them slow. They were growing them really, really slow. Looking at all of those pictures, that'll show you how slowly my edges were going in regards to the growth that was happening when I was using the Extra Strength Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops. So August 21st, I started using these drops, and you guys see my edges. By, I'll say like by 2 weeks, it was like September 2nd. because I made y'all know I like to document. Okay, so this is August 25th. You can kind of see my edges here. That's how my edges were looking August 25th. And okay, so this is my edges on September the 7th. Like, you can see how this product was literally growing my hair, and they were growing really, really fast. To me, they have been growing really, really fast. This is September 10th. Like, each day it seemed like my hair was progressing. This is an excellent product. This picture is September 25th. This one is a really good product. I've been only using it a month. So imagine me consistently using this product. I have no doubt that this product will literally fill in the rest of my edges for me. Of course, it's about the consistency. So with me using this product as a consistent, because this is one that I most definitely will be keeping in my routine. This is a good product for me, especially with me and how, you know, hard it is for me to grow my edges. Massage into scalp every night before bed, at least 3 times a week before bed. I use them every day. You don't have to use them every day like me. I'm just somebody who does the most. And honestly, I be wanting my hair to grow really, really fast. So in order for you to make them last, don't use them every night like I do. Because the bottle is like a 1 ounce bottle, and it'll last you a month if you're not using it like I used it. I ended up making them last a month because I did stop using them every night. That at the end, like the week I told y'all I was on my last little drop, I did stretch it out for a month because I stopped using it at the end so much. Now there are quite a few ingredients in here. Castor oil, organic. I really can't see y'all because my eyes are getting bad, but I'm gonna put the ingredients on the screen for you so you can see everything that is in here. You're supposed to use this at night, and that's what I do. I use them at night. Like I told y'all in my last video before this one, I used the Canvas Beauty brand in the morning time, and I use this one at night. But this is a bomb product, and the owner is really, really sweet. Okay, so when she reached out to me, she did let me know that this was a new 911 extra strength hair growth that was created especially for thin edges, and I think that's why it really works for my edges, because it's targeted for thin edges, bald spots, and recent traction alopecia. So a lot of women who suffer from, you can use this for your if you have traction alopecia or your edges are thinning out, or even if you have bald spots, you can use this product and it can help your hair to start growing. Now, like I tell y'all, I don't use 2 oils on my scalp, so I don't put it on my scalp. I just use it for my edges. And yeah, that's about it. Everything in this product they're natural products. They're made with ingredients that she says are powerful in attack issue that causes baldness while hydrating and strengthening your follicles. And I most definitely feel that to be true, because when it comes to my edges, when I used to pick my edges out and stuff, my edges are so sensitive and they used to just come out so easily and they will break off so easily. Now when I, do my hair care routine and I'll brush my edges and stuff like that, the hair doesn't come out, and I know it's because of this, because it really does have a strengthening effect on my edges, and that's what I love about this. One thing I do love about her product is not expensive. If you go on the website, I'm going to show you guys her website. Of course, I have it linked in the description box below. You go on the website, you will see that this product is only $17.99. This is a 1 ounce bottle, and I showed y'all the 1 ounce bottle when I was using the Hollywood hair bar, and the Hollywood hair bar product I think was $24.99. so I feel like $17.99 is a good price. This is an inexpensive oil that you can use, and it's an inexpensive oil that actually works. That is a reasonable price for a 1 ounce bottle that can last you for a month if you actually do what the direction says, and that's using it 3 times a week and not every night like I do, because I feel like even if you use it 3 times a week, you'll get the same max results that I have been getting since I've been using it. Now, the dropper application is one that's like, it's easy to use. You can just take the dropper, and I feel like if you're gonna use it, if you really want it to last, you can even get it to last longer than a month if you do it like, you know how you can just dab it like the Kaleidoscope Miracle Drops, just dab instead of dropping. You can make it stretch it out for probably like 2 months or a month and a half or something like that. So it really is a bomb product. I really do love this, and I hope you guys consider trying it out, because it is working for me and I love it, and I most definitely will be purchasing it on my own, even if she does decide to send me something else. I feel like if I keep constantly running out, I will. This is a product just like the Canvas Beauty brand I kept purchasing on my own. This is a product I wouldn't mind spending my own money on, because it's a product that actually works. Now, I have to reiterate this as well. All products don't work the same for everybody, so take that into consideration. If you get this product and you feel like it doesn't work for you, it doesn't mean that it won't work for somebody else. So that's why I am kind of like skeptic when it comes to reviews, because a product may work for me, but it may not work for somebody else. That's why I always tell people, like, make sure you are doing some extreme research before you actually take into consideration getting something, because you really won't know until you actually try the product out for yourself. I hope this one helped you guys out. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description box so you can go and try this product out for yourself. And if you do decide to use it, please, please, please document your journey to let me know if it works for you, and to let her know as well if this product really does work, because I feel like it's a good one. And like I said, I don't promote something that I don't believe in, and I'm promoting this one so heavily because it's a good product for me. It really does work for my edges, and I want to help other women. Like, if you're struggling with your edges, or if you're struggling with growing back bald spots, you should try this one out, because I really do feel like it's going to help your hair to grow back. So yes, that is it. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please let me know if you're going to try this product down below. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.